There's another way that you can do a screen recording on your laptop. If you are using your Chrome browser, then you can get a Chrome extension that's called Screencastify. So if you go to the web store, so I clicked on apps, I'm going to the web store, and do a search for Screencastify. It's going to be this guy, and you'll have a button that says add to Chrome if you haven't done this already, and it's going to show up right up here. This is it, Screencastify. So to use Screencastify, the first time that you open it up, it's going to ask you some demographic information. I've used this already, but it's going to ask you to make sure that you have access to your camera and to your microphone. It'll ask you some demographic information, and then it's going to want to take you through kind of a tutorial. Don't worry about that. I'm taking care of that for you. When you're ready to do a Screencastify screen recording, you just click on this just like I did, and you have some options. You can embed a webcam, which puts your little image of your face either, I think it's right here, it might be over here, I'm not sure exactly, I haven't done it in a little bit. Make sure that you have the microphone selected that you're using if you're using a built-in microphone, and you'll be able to see it just like I was showing you. You'll be able to see it kind of picking up your voice so you know it's recording. You could do webcam only if you only just want to show your face and you're talking to your kids. You can do, I have it selected desktop, which means it's showing everything that's happening here. You can just do browser tab, which means it's just showing what's on the screen here, so it's not showing all of this extra. It's cleaner, it's nicer, but if you're clicking around a lot of different tabs and whatnot, desktop might be the option for you. Once you're all set, you click record, and it'll ask you what you want to record, your entire screen or your application window. You select what you want, click share, and then it's going to count you down. And now it's recording. So it's recording everything that's happening on the screen as well as your voice. You can see right here the little red dot means that it's recording. When you are all set, you click stop sharing, and then it's going to actually take you into the video. And what's nice about Screencastify is it has some editing tools. You can see you can clip, like if I have some dead space here at the end or the beginning of the video, I can clip that down. You'll also see that it automatically was sharing to my Google Drive over here, which is nice, so it drops it in there. Now, it's not going to name it. You need to make sure that you name it into your Google Drive. But you have access to it now so that you can access it later. You'll also notice, this is fantastic, if we're using Google Classroom, we can share it directly into our classroom as part of an assignment or as information out to the students. So that's Screencastify. It's pretty simple to use, but it is only an option if you're using your Chrome browser and you need to get it through the Chrome web store. But that's another option to do some screen recording.